Reads 2.1 millimeters.
Try this area here, near the edge.
2.5. That meets the requirement.
As the sun sets, the scale of this operation becomes clear.
Use the net for those big ones over there.
Got it. This batch seems very healthy.
Yes, they are very active today.
We're clear of the support beams.
Keep it steady, watching the chains.
Kilo Sierra, packages secure in the hold, requesting next load.
Copy. Bringing up the last pallet now.
Okay, chip is in. Check for signal.
Reading confirmed. Clear to move.
growth rate seems stable this quarter. Did you get the length on subject 12?
Yes, exactly 3.2 meters. Impressive size.
The dorsal scan shows an irregularity at this quadrant.
Cross-reference with the baseline data. It appears negligible. Proceed.
Easy now, easy. Hold it right there. Gate coming down. Keep an eye on the big fella inside. Watch the weight on that last shipment.
I'm tagging it now, sending it to overflow.
Ensure the carcass is secure before the next turn.
Adjusting the clamps now. Clear to proceed.
You've achieved a beautiful sear without compromising the moisture. The quality is superb.
Excellent news. Bring the next one here. Copy that. Coming right up.
The gloss finish on these scales is exceptional.
Agreed. The dye penetration is consistent across the hide.
Okay.
Look at this spot right here. I see that imperfection. It needs more treatment before we can ship it.
Keep it steady. Watch the balance. All right, set it down right here.
We need precise measurements for the girth right here at the widest point.
Confirmed. The dorsal scales look excellent.
Careful, she's agitated. Easy with the eggs.
I see her.
Tray is ready. Let's move.
Check the keratinization on segment 3.
Looks good, consistent texture.
Recording 0.5 millimeters.
Keep them moving. Don't let them stop in the mud. And watch the gate. It's coming down.
This one looks underweight. Note it down.
Already on it.
Keep that gate clear. Don't let him turn around. Okay, I got it. Just hold him steady.
Throw the next one to the far end. Got it. Watch your footing.
This one looks healthy. Scales are fully formed.
Noted. Hatch date plus 2 days. Ready for transfer.
Throw the meat on the far side. Okay, watch your hands up there. Careful now.